Hello friends, welcome to Codebuster. Today I have come up with a very good job update for the freshers, and that is Delighty. So Delighty is going to hire the fresher for the position analyst, risk and financial advisory. So Delighty is a risk management company. So it is working mainly on the cyber security, hacking and authentication related projects. And all these technologies are emerging technologies in IT industry. If you have got the opportunity to work in these type of domains, it will be very much useful in your future, and it will have excellent growth in your future. So they have mentioned all of the technologies what they are working, SailPoint, Okta, Oracle. All these are mostly related to the security and authentication projects only. So you will be working in the design, analyzing about the client information technology. So and risk assessment. So all these things you will be working on it, and they have given the detailed description what the work you will do. So I have given the link in my description box, and you can read all these details before applying to this job. So and they have given the qualifications also. So you should have a graduate degree in BE or BTech. So cybersecurity, IT, computer science, and even though circuital branches means even though they are accepting ECE, electrical students as well. So anyone can apply for this job, and even though you have a master degree, you can apply for it. And minimum 60% of CGPA is required, and you should have an excellent communication skill. That is a very important skill any company is expecting, and you should have a good problem solving skills, and you should have a good knowledge in the programming, and you should not be a very good expert in programming, but you have a moderate knowledge on it, and a good working knowledge on Excel, Word. Yeah, that's important. So in the IT industry you will be mostly working in documentation works also, so you should have this basic skills. And if you have some knowledge in cyber security also, it will be added advantage for you. And they have given about their company, employee benefits, culture and all, so you can take a look on it. And if you want to apply for this job, you can give the apply online option down. And before going to that, the primary location will be Hyderabad only. So if you get the job, you should be working in Hyderabad, and the job type is graduate job, and organization is cyber risk. Yeah, once you click on the apply option, there will be a login page opening. If you already have the account, you can log in. Otherwise, you can give sign up and you can create an account. Once you created the account, this application form will open. Here in the first step of the process, you need to upload your resume. So and the resume is not mandatory in the first step. You can add the resume, or you can import your profile data from LinkedIn or other site as well. And if you don't want to do that, you can give no thanks. So if you add your resume in the second step, you can all the details will be taken automatically from your resume. Otherwise, you should fill all the details manually. So here you need to fill all your basic details. Once you filled all your basic details, you can go to the next step. And if you see, the third step is questionnaire. So there will be some yes or no questions you need to answer for it. And the fourth step is you need to upload a resume. Here the resume is mandatory, but in the first step you can either skip or you can upload. That's not a problem. And the fifth step, you should fill all your education details, your CGPA, your work details, everything you should fill there. If you're experienced candidate, you should fill all your work experience details. And the sixth step, you can review and submit your form. Once you fill your form, you will get all the details about the recruitment process. So this is a very good opportunity for the freshers, and the salary will also be greater than 5 lakh per annum only. So they didn't mention here. So you can, it will be definitely greater than 5 lakh per annum. And the technology is also very emerging technologies in IT. So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. Start applying for it. Thank you.